Imagine having a tech coach who never sleeps, lives on your screen, and actually shows you where to click instead of just explaining it. Today, I'm going to talk to ChatGPT with my voice and let it see my screen so it can walk me through real problems in real time. If you've ever stared at your computer thinking, "Where do I go now?" This is for you. We're going to test how well ChatGPT listens, how it understands what's on my screen, and whether it can guide us step by step like a patient teacher. By the end of this video, you'll know if this is just a cool demo or a new way for you to learn any software without feeling lost. Let's see what happens when I give ChatGPT the mic and the screen. First, let me show you how I set this up. I open the ChatGPT app on my phone. Then I tap the voice icon so I can talk instead of typing. Next, I tap the camera icon so ChatGPT can actually see my screen. Now I just point my phone at my Excel sheet, ask my question out loud, and ChatGPT walks me through exactly what to click and what to do step by step. I'm also mirroring my phone to the screen so you can clearly see what I'm doing. When you try this on your own, you won't need this mirroring setup. This is just for demonstration so you can really experience the process along with me.
Okay, can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen clearly. Everything looks good on my end. Just let me know what you'd like to do next, and I'm here to help every step of the way.
Okay, I like to make all these columns wide enough so that all the texts are visible. How do I do that?
Absolutely. To make every column wide enough for all the text, you can first select the entire range of columns by clicking the triangle at the top left corner of the spreadsheet, which highlights everything. Then just move your cursor to any of the column borders at the top and double click when you see that double-headed arrow. This will auto-fit all columns at once. That way everything will be visible perfectly.
Okay, so this is the header here where my cursor is, and this is the cross that you're talking about?
Exactly, you've got it. That double-headed arrow is the one you're looking for. Once you see that, just double-click it and all the column will adjust automatically to fit the content. It looks like you're on the right track. If you need any more help, just let me know.
Oh, okay, there it goes. Nice.
Before we dive on, help me reach more learners. I'm a new creator, so I'd really appreciate it if you'd subscribe. Tap like and hit the notification bell. I'd love your feedback in the comments. It helps me know what to improve and what videos to make next for you. It's free and it really helps this reach more people. You'll find subscribe, like, the notification bell in the comment section right below this video. I want these cells to be formatted as currency so the numbers show as money.
How do I do that?
Sure thing. To format those cells with the $sign, you can first highlight the cells that you want to format, then go to the Home tab, and in the number group, you'll see a little currency symbol. You can click on that and it will automatically format those cells to show.
The sales columns are now properly formatted as currency with $signs. All right, let's take it step by step. Okay, so for my headings, I want a larger font and bold text so they're easier to see. How do I do that?
Absolutely. To make your headings stand out, you can first highlight the top row with your headings. Then in the Home tab, you can increase the font size by selecting a larger number in the font size box. And to make them bold, you can just click the bold icon, which looks like a B. If you also want to make the cells larger, you can adjust the row height by dragging the row border or using the format option in the Home tab. That should do the trick.
Okay, so that did the trick, except I can see text is overflowing past the cell boundary for the heading year instead of fitting inside the cell. The cell needs to be wider. So how do I do that for just one column?
Got it. to adjust just that one cell, you can click on that specific cell and then increase the font size just for that cell. You can also widen the column a little bit more by dragging the boundary of that column to make sure the text fits nicely. That way you can keep everything neat and readable.
Okay, I did that, but now my text is not centered. What do I do to center it?
No problem. To center the text, you can highlight that specific cell or the entire row of headings. Then in the Home tab, you'll see alignment options. Just click on the center alignment button, and that will center the text perfectly within the cell. That should do the trick.
I did the trick. Thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm glad it worked out. If there's anything else you need or any other tweaks you'd like to make, just let me know. I'm here to help.
Okay, now, for each column with money amounts, I want a total at the bottom so I can see how much it all adds up to. How do I do that?
Sure, to get a total for each column, you can simply click on the cell at the bottom of the column where you want the total, then go to the Home tab and click on the Auto Sum button, which looks like the Greek letter sigma. Excel will automatically suggest the range to sum up. You can just press enter and it will give you the total. You can repeat this for each column.
And could you tell me which one is the auto sum button again, and where is it?
Of course. So in the Home tab, you'll find the number group, which is usually towards the middle of the ribbon. The Auto Sum button, which looks like the Greek letter sigma, should be right there. It's typically near the left side of that group. You can just click that button and Excel will automatically suggest the range to sum. If you need help spotting it, just let me know.
Yeah, it's... Here's the numbers group, but it's not in here. Where do I go?
No worries. If you're not seeing the Auto Sum button right away, it might be a bit hidden. You can also find it under the Formulas tab at the top. If you click on Formulas, you'll see the Auto Sum option there as well. Once you click it...
This one here?
Exactly, you've got it. If you click on the Formulas tab, you'll see the Auto Sum button in the Function Library group.
Okay. And then just hit Enter to get the total, correct? Correct?
Exactly. Once you click the Auto Sum button, Excel will highlight the range it thinks you want to sum. If that range looks correct, just press Enter and it will give you the total. You can repeat that for each column and you'll have all your totals in no time.
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. I'm glad I could help. If you have any more questions or need anything else, just let me know. I'm always here to help.
ChatGPT really helped me figure out how to work in Excel. I just told it what I wanted to do, and it guided me step by step, almost like it already knew what I was trying to accomplish. The only downside is that sometimes the instructions can be a bit long, but that's really on me, because I could have told it to keep the answer shorter. Maybe that's something I'll cover in another video. Overall, I think ChatGPT is a great tool that can really cut down the learning curve when you're learning new software like Excel or any other programs out there. I haven't found yet a program it doesn't know. If this was helpful, stick around for more videos like this on my channel.